Let me say the quiet part out loud. Watching people invest while drowning in credit card debt makes me lose my mind. It's like pouring water into a bucket with giant holes and acting shocked when it's still empty. If your cards are charging 22% interest, the stock market is not your problem. Your debt is laughing at you. I'm Vanessa. I think way too much about money. And most people build wealth completely backwards. If you actually want to do this the smart way, instead of chasing shiny investments, hit subscribe and like this video. Your future bank account will appreciate it. Here's a wild stat. 1 in 3 Americans has no emergency fund. The median emergency savings? About $500. That's less than a car payment. Yet those same people ask me if they should buy crypto or individual stocks. That's like shopping for a Ferrari when your current car doesn't even run. There is a smartest order to invest your money, and following it can save you tens of thousands of dollars. It's just boring, which is why most people skip it. Today, I'm walking you through the exact step-by-step order. And yes, some of this might surprise you, especially how powerful employer matches and AJSs really are. Think of your finances like a house. You don't pick countertops if the foundation is cracked. But financially, people do that every day. They buy trendy ETFs while high-interest debt quietly wrecks their progress. Step 1 comes before any investing. Build an emergency fund. Not for fun, for survival. This isn't just about surprise bills. It's about avoiding panic decisions when life happens. Without cash set aside, you'll sell investments at the worst time, or swipe a credit card you'll regret. Forget the vague 3,000 6 months advice. Start with $1,000 fast, then build up 1 month of expenses. Then aim for 3. Small wins matter. Even $2,000 in savings massively improves financial stability. The confidence alone changes how you handle money. Next step, kill high-interest debt. Anything over roughly 8% needs to go, especially credit cards. Carrying 22% debt while investing is like running uphill with bricks in your backpack. Paying it off is a guaranteed return that beats most investments. List your debts, pay minimums, then attack the highest interest first. That's the debt avalanche, fastest and cheapest way out. Now, one big exception. If your employer offers a retirement match, take it, even before debt is gone. That match is instant free money. A 50% or 100% return beats everything. Just contribute enough to get the full match, then go right back to nuking debt. And yes, check the vesting rules. Once your foundation is solid, we enter the tax smart zone, where most people mess up. Next, max out your IRA. IRAs usually give you better investment choices and lower fees than most 401k. Fees seem small, but over decades they quietly steal your money. For 2025, you can put in $7,000 or $8,000 if you're 50 plus. After that, go back to your 401k and start contributing more. But now you need to choose traditional or Roth. Pay taxes now or later. Quick roll, lower tax bracket now, Roth. Higher tax bracket now, traditional. Not sure? Split it. Tax flexibility later is powerful. If you're eligible for an HSA, this is the secret weapon. HSAs give you 3 tax wins: deductible contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals from medical costs. That's unbeatable. If you can, pay medical bills out of pocket and let the HSA grow. Save the receipts. You can reimburse yourself years later. After 65, it works like a retirement account anyway. Medical costs are basically guaranteed in retirement, so tax-free money here is huge. Once the HSA is maxed, finish maxing your 401k. At this point, you're shielding serious money from taxes and letting compounding do its thing. Most people never even reach this stage. If you do, you're already ahead of the pack. Only now do we talk about taxable investing. Stocks, crypto, anything you want. But understand the tax drag. Dividends and gains get taxed constantly. That slows everything down. Still, taxable accounts matter. They're flexible, great for early retirement, big purchases, or passing wealth on. They're just the last step, not the first. So here's the smart order. Emergency fund, kill high-interest debt, get the employer match, max your IRA, use an HSA, max the 401k, then taxable investing. Do the boring stuff first, and let everyone else chase hype. Your future self will be very happy you did.